SCP-188-KO Object Class Heater Special Containment Procedures SCP-188-KO should be known as the tower crane used for the construction on halt for unknown reasons. Today, this cover story, a steel frame structure wrapped in opaque polyester sheets, is built around SCP-188-KO. Civilian access should be restricted from entering the building. The crane holstering motor should be covered from some sound insulation to prevent any noise the motor makes from leaking outside. The global nature of 188 affects calls for concentration effects and public information containment. Foundation plants undercover agents in academies covering 188 affect related fields such as geology, climatology, and astronomy. These agents are then to destroy and manipulate any information related to 188 through anesthetics and manipulating academic papers. However, information containment seems difficult after prolonged operation on 188. Crane's anomalous becomes obvious to the general public. The long-term hazards that 188 proposes triggered research to destroy and deactivate the tower crane safely. Agents from the related research data in the report tank 8 out of 188 researchers. Description: 188 is a redacted meter-tall T-shaped tower crane located in redacted Somata. Its frame is composed of unknown metal which cannot be destroyed by any other methods than melting it with high heat. The 188 hosting device is surrounded by metal plates from the part of 188 and cannot be destroyed. No equipment in the operating room except for the internal control panel functions, but the elevator functions normally. 188 foundation seems to reach a depth of over redacted kilometers. 188 exposed wire rope is approximately 6,377.5 kilometers long, extended underground through a hole around 1 meter in diameter located in the front of the crane's foundation. The internal control panel indicates that the trip rope, the wire referred to as the hook in this document, is currently 6,377.4 kilometers underground. However, direct observation of the hook is unable due to the immense depth. 188 pulls its wire for 1 second from 12 PST noon every day. The pulled wire rope appears to be reeled into the hosting device's wire drum. The volume and mass of the device do not change. The pulling speed is very slow, approximately at 0.01 millimeters per second. The Earth's center of gravity follows the hook 0.05 millimeters daily, or 1.8 centimeters annually, causing global changes in the atmospheric or oceanic currents. To date, the gravitational center of the Earth has shifted approximately redacted meters towards 188 from its original position. Shift in gravity resulted from sea levels in the Pacific Ocean rising twice as fast as the estimate based on global warming and slowly drawing in polar glaciers towards the Pacific. Also, the moon's slight movement and small differences in atmospheric pressure between the Pacific and Atlantic has been observed. Moreover, the island itself from that 188 currently stands on is likely to be completely submerged underwater in at least redacted years. Being considered covering the large waterproof barrier to prevent the damage to the SCP-188-KO. Calculations from the hook's movement speed estimate that the crane will cause a prolonged XK class end of world scenario until 2000 redacted. Destruction of the wire rope by melting it has been proposed after 188 was proven dangerous. However, the proposal was temporarily rejected as the pulled gravitational center crashing into the center of the Earth may cause data expunged on a global scale. 188 was found in a construction site in redacted Somaya. Local civilians report that 188 appeared out of the blue, but is without further evidence, as no nearby cameras are recording the subject. Locals were treated with Class 4 anesthetic treatment. Footnotes: the material's melting point reaches up to 250,000 Kelvin. The device located in the rear of the crane. It has a motor inside and also serves as a weight.